Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day of a day of being crafty with the things around you. So I talked about that it could be, anything like food, grass, just paper, and or combined medium. So today I'm gonna use some rice and tape to make a ring. You know the saying that you are what you eat. You wear what you eat. So for the rice ring, we just need some rice and a piece of tape and the good old measuring tape to measure your ring size. There you have it. I told you it was easy. It takes you 2 seconds to have a rice ring. It's quite interesting. Just like how the tape is tying into, the trend of all the transparent shoes and whatnot, and this kind of makes it looks very interesting. I kind of like how it turns out. If you get hungry, you can just, have some. I love this. I'm gonna make a few more. Depending on how wide you want it, you can just cut your tape in half or whatnot. And this could be a little less than that. Almost look like imitation pearls a little bit. I mixed brown and white rice, so to give it a little bit more depth. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you try anything fun. See you on the next one.